Then you're trying to jump rope. Go, girl.
Okay.
It's kind of long. This is out of her Easter basket.
Kind of long.
Mhm.
But I can't fit it. I need a small one.
Mhm.
Mommy, I need somebody to hold it straight.
Mhm.
Hi, my name is Nia. I like my Easter basket. And I like you.
And I like you too.
I like you too. And I like my Easter basket.
What about your Spanish song? Can you sing your Spanish song? Hmm?
Now I'm gonna sing my prayer. Man.
Good job.
How you jump, bro? I can't.
Not right now, baby. I got this one in my hands. Say hi, Ava.
Mommy, somebody's gonna hold here.
Say hi. She's 2 weeks old. Hey, pretty girl. I like your outfit.